Alright, this just showed up. I'm not even sure what it is. I ordered a ton of stuff from Home Depot lately. This is the first thing to show up. Gotta love that. Gotta love that when your packages show up like that. This one was a UPS ground did that to my package. FYI. Alright, let's see what we got. I think my girl ordered some stuff too. Oh yeah, this is definitely something she ordered. This is like some kind of background. Oh yeah, it's a flower backdrop. A bunch of them for weddings, events, photographs, and really nice quality actually. Got holes to zip tie them. You're gonna need some tiny zip ties though, but all right, well, there you go. A nice bunch of these things. I'm guessing 12. That's enough to do something substantial though. But yep, there's the back. The fix to this plastic netting, and in the front. Pretty nice detail on these flowers, but there you go. Very cool. All right, so there you have it. There's 12 of them. Wait, no. Yeah, 12 of them. They're about, I don't know, about 2 foot by 1 foot. I'm sure the measurements are in the box, but pretty nice looking. So I don't know what the woman has planned for these, but they look really cool. So there you go.